We all know that sinking feeling after a greasy fast food binge. Our brains feel foggy, our energy plummets, and suddenly the world seems a little less bright. But did you know that our guts and brains are in constant communication? It's like a direct line to happiness or grumpiness, depending on what we choose to fuel ourselves with. Our gut, often called our second brain, hosts trillions of bacteria that influence everything from digestion to our mood. Feed it junk, and you'll feel the mental repercussions. But nourish it with wholesome, delicious foods, and watch your mood soar. This isn't just some new age mumbo-jumbo. Scientific evidence backs up the powerful connection between our gut health and mental well-being. Studies have shown that improving gut health can alleviate anxiety and even improve symptoms of depression. So, if you're looking for a natural way to boost your mood, look no further than your plate. Ready to turn that frown upside down with the power of food? Let's dive into some mental health superheroes disguised as everyday ingredients. First up, we have fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and sardines, swimming in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are like brain food, improving cognitive function and reducing those pesky feelings of anxiety. Next on our superfoods list are nuts and seeds packed with mood-boosting magnesium. Feeling stressed? Grab a handful of almonds or pumpkin seeds for a crunchy, satisfying snack that also calms your nerves. And don't forget about leafy greens like spinach and kale, brimming with folate, a nutrient linked to reducing depression risk. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables. Berries, packed with antioxidants, fight off those nasty free radicals that can dampen our moods. And who can resist the creamy goodness of avocados? They're loaded with healthy fats and B vitamins known to support brain health and reduce stress. Now that you've met the star players, let's talk about dietary all-star teams. The Mediterranean diet, a lifestyle cherished for centuries, takes center stage. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins, it's like a vacation for your mind and body. Studies show that this way of eating can reduce the risk of depression and improve overall cognitive function. But hey, we're not here to restrict you to one culinary corner of the world. The traditional Japanese diet, with its emphasis on fresh seafood, fermented foods, and plant-based meals, is another shining example of how food can nourish both body and mind. The beauty of these dietary approaches is their flexibility and focus on fresh, whole foods. It's not about deprivation, it's about savoring delicious, nutrient-dense meals that make you feel fantastic from the inside out. So, ditch the processed junk and embrace the joy of cooking with real ingredients. Your taste buds and your mind will thank you. Practical tips and tricks. Making joyful eating a piece of cake. Incorporating mood-boosting foods into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. Start by making small, sustainable changes. Swap sugary cereals for a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts. Instead of reaching for chips when hunger strikes, opt for a handful of nuts or veggie sticks with hummus. Make cooking fun. Experiment with new recipes that feature brain-boosting ingredients. Invite friends over for a healthy potluck and share your culinary creations. Remember, healthy eating shouldn't feel like a punishment. It's about nourishing your body and mind with delicious food that makes you feel your best. Another simple trick is to keep your kitchen stocked with healthy staples. That way, when those cravings hit, you're prepared with nutritious options. Keep a bowl of fresh fruit on the counter, pre-chopped veggies for easy snacking, and stock your pantry with nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Conclusion. Feed your mind, nourish your soul. Remember, food is more than just fuel, it's information for your body and brain. By making conscious choices about what we eat, we have the power to influence our mood, energy levels, and overall well-being. So, embrace the delicious world of mood-boosting foods and discover the transformative power of nourishing your body and mind from the inside out. Bon appetit!